In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view an NYC ticket online. If you need to check the details of a New York City ticket, the main place to start is the NYC City Pay portal. This is where you can search for a ticket using either the ticket number or your license plate number. Once you're on the portal, enter the information carefully and review the results that appear. This is the quickest way to look up many NYC violations online, especially if you want to confirm the ticket status or view the information connected to it. It's important to know that the timing can vary depending on the kind of ticket you received. For parking and camera violations, these are typically handled by the New York City Department of Finance. If your ticket was computer printed, it usually becomes available online within about 5 business days. If it was handwritten, it may take around 10 to 14 days to appear in the system. Camera tickets often take longer, and they generally show up within 3 to 4 weeks. So if you search right away and don't see anything yet, that may simply mean the ticket hasn't been uploaded to the database. If your ticket is not a parking or camera violation, but instead a moving traffic violation issued within the 5 boroughs, the process is different. In that case, you'll want to use the New York DMV Traffic Violations Bureau system, often called the TVB system. That platform is used for looking up moving violations, and it may also allow you to plead or pay the ticket, depending on your situation. Make sure you're using the correct site for the type of ticket you have, because the city and the DMV handle different categories. Another convenient option is to use the official NYC Pay or Dispute app. This mobile app lets you check ticket information on the go, and it can also be useful if you prefer managing everything from your phone instead of using a desktop browser. It's a helpful alternative when you want quick access without logging in through a full website. As a final tip, always double check the ticket number or plate number before submitting your search, since even a small typo can prevent the correct record from appearing, and if your ticket still doesn't show up after the expected time frame, wait a little longer and try again using the appropriate portal for your violation type. That's how to view an NYC ticket online.